Download the file in the video's description and double click on the file. Now right click on the logo here. Your logo image format should be in PNG form. Adjust the logo size and position. Now click on the title and enter the name of your channel. Change size and style according to your need. Fantastic. I have made it easy for you guys, so all you have to do is drag and drop. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel for exciting new regular tutorials.